So, now that you have seen our amazing library collections, you may ask, how do I go about referencing these? Think about introducing a voice as you introduce a concept to show how it is supported by a chosen source. For example, so-and-so argues that...
Academic voice. What exactly is an academic voice? It turns out there is no standard definition. In its most basic form, some have proposed that voice differentiates between your thoughts and words and those of other authors. For example, the text that follows shows how the student has integrated own understanding of the author's words by inserting the author's name at the end of the sentence. By continuously engaging with modernized Afrocentric fashion designs, people create a perception about themselves in the eyes of observers, which presents a reflection of their personalities, beliefs, and values amongst others. Open brackets, Chittenden, 2009, close brackets, and full stop.
However, if the author's surname is inserted at the beginning of a sentence, meaning the writer's voice takes backstage, the sentence structure will look like this. It was found by Wilson and Gilligan, 2005, and by Dorrance, 2011, that young urban South Africans who choose to integrate modernized Afrocentric fashion designs into their personal brands are well-informed and well-connected individuals who have a wide variety of information sources at their disposal through various channels such as different social media platforms. What you need to document from the hard copy source. Not every detail will be applicable in every case. However, the following lists provide a guide to what information is needed. You need to acknowledge the words or work of the author or authors, the author or authors or editor's full names. If your source is a group, organization, or body, you need all the details. Name of the journal, periodical, magazine, book, etc. Edition, publisher's name, place of publication, that is, the city of publication, year of publication, volume number, issue number, page numbers. Example 1. Book by one author. In-text citation, in-text paraphrased. Huther, open brackets, 2006, close brackets, argues that psychological and social decisions are of central importance to human brain development. Or, in-text direct quotation, according to Huther, open brackets, 2006, colon 6, where 6 is the page number, close brackets, open parentheses for the direct quotation, the most important decisions a human being can make in the course of his life are psychosocial in nature, close parentheses. Example 2. Book by two authors. In-text paraphrased. Strunk and White, open brackets, 2000, close brackets, argue that overwriting should be avoided since it makes understanding and engaging with the text difficult for readers. Or, in-text direct quotation. Open parentheses. It is best to steer clear of overwriting since rich ornate prose is hard to digest, close parentheses, open bracket, Strunk and White, comma, space, 2000, colon, space, 72, close brackets, stop. For the reference list, Strunk W and White E B 2000, The Elements of Style, 4th edition, Massachusetts, Allen and Bacon. Note edition number if it is not the first edition. No need to include first edition. Example 3. Book by 3 or more authors. First used in text paraphrased. Davis, Picard, Santana and Burke, 2014. Assert that all fields that engage in data collection do, in essence, make use of statistics. Note, the first time that you mention a source with multiple authors, 3 or more, all authors' names must be used. Second used, in-text paraphrased. Davis et al., 2014, argue that qualitative research methodology yields quality results. Note, you may use the author's full surname and the abbreviation et al. and others. to represent the additional authors after the first full use. Note that et al. Can be used for in-text citations, but it may not be used as part of a bibliography or reference list. The phrase et al. Should also always be followed with a full stop, regardless of its position in a sentence. For the reference list, Davis G, Pekar B, Santana L, and Burke A, 2014. Statistics for the Social Sciences using Excel, a first course for South African students. Cape Town, Oxford University Press, South Africa.